Today we're out here at Hollis, Q Lathem. We're going to find out who wins the 2022 Classic. 6 teams competing. Should be some big fish weighed in. We're going to hit the water, check in on these guys during the day, and we'll definitely be here for weigh-in. Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, gentlemen, weigh in at 3 o'clock. Good luck.
Good luck.
I'm open, baby.
How you looking?
We got 5.
Any big ones?
Not really too big. No, about 2 decent ones, good large mouth, good spot. Maybe 9 pounds, 8 pounds.
Sweet. Caught a bunch of fish?
What's that?
Caught a bunch?
About 8, yeah.
Good deal. Good luck.
Maybe. Appreciate it.
Yeah, y'all bring them on.
I got one coming. Oh, we got a stink for that.
Hey, if y'all end up with any tag fish, I was wanting to get a weight and length on them, okay?
Okay, we can do that.
Got Lane in.
Yep.
You got 5?
Pick number 2, 5 and 5.
Got any?
Shit, I don't know.
No, I didn't see anything. They all tagged in the top too? They all tagged right there?
Right behind them.
Yeah.
Back pin.
Okay, I just make sure they did the
It's
same.
supposed to be yellow, but they're gonna be black
Yeah, from the
after they get on for a little while.
904.
Just tossing. Yeah. Gonna tag them all, and like they would be in this spot right in here.
Okay.
On that side, on just that all off. I'm sorry, didn't mean to get any camera angle there, bud.
Everybody's welcome.
I just
stand by to keep them might not.
There you go.
All live, bud.
Yes, sir.
Definitely hard to say. They weren't moving to start with.
$10.02. Pictures.
No tag.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Got 5.
5 and 5. Team 20.
Yes, it don't matter now, though, does it? Caught one.
Did you?
Had to get that one to the lead.
You better win.
I'll dive in before we let it get away.
I'm gonna watch them all. You what, dive in?
Hell yeah.
Did he work too hard for that?
857.
Yeah, we trade. For sure we ain't gonna have no big fish in that lot.
You got 5, Travis?
Yes. Don't let them out.
$13.36.
You want to get a picture there, though? Might as well. It ain't bigger than one behind you. I have to cut the fish here. You got a camera.
Come on, Gregor.
Yeah.
We'll let big fish first. Oh, pretty fish. 742.
Good job.
Pulled up about a half an hour. 1725.
Come on now. 1721.
Good job, fellas. Good job.
Yeah. Big picture. Did you see that motherfucker?
Yeah, I saw it.
What they caught that on?
I know.
Hey, Travis, he didn't catch it on what you think he did.
Who's got phone? Good job, killer.
1531.
Crap.
One tag, one in the bunch.
Alright.
We're gonna weigh ours one for 15 bigger.
Okay.
Step right over here, Maverick. Or step right over there, wherever you want to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, just put him in.
Good right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boys. Good job. How heavy was your dad today, Maverick? He said no.
Good fish, pretty fish. All of them. Yeah. Ain't no tags though. Not a tag fish out of the bunch.
There's one.
I'll turn it. Well, he's got the basket right now. You still set him on here and get him.
I got him.
Oh, you got a thing.
Thank you.
I didn't even see it.
Hey, I just want to say one thing. Consistent. That's the same weight I had Saturday, Sunday, and now today.
Come on. You can't be, you weighing in the same fish.
What it seems like. How much do you have? Eating something.
32.
That's Saturday, that's the same every.
Well, that one got a tag in there, is it?
No.
1833. 1877.
I was gonna see what we had.
1056.
Gone for me.
Sorry. I'm glad that's on video. Sorry, fish.
That kills me.
You had a head on something big, wasn't it? Big old knot head.
Brett, that's down. Give me 1 through 6.
We start at 6 or start at 1?
Start at 6.
Big bag 1721.
I can hardly see him. All right, gentlemen, it was a good season.
Where the keys at?
We got 6th place,
That'll be Keith and William
Keith and William.
with 859.
Congratulations. 5th place,
Will be Wayne and Tim.
Wayne and Tim. Good job, fellas.
904.
Good job, guys.
4th place,
Gonna be the Yarders with 1002.
here's yours, Blake. 3rd place,
Be Travis and Robert with 1336.
somebody come and get it. Good job. 2nd place,
Daniel and Maverick with 1531.
Good job, Birdo. You knew you
Come on,
called,
Maverick.
didn't you, bro? You said, man, we got 3rd place all day.
1st place, and Big Fish,
Driggers and Haney with 1721.
Good job, fellas. Good job. Good job.
1st place, get the top one.
Hell yeah.
This is Big Fish. Points champion for the year goes to Daniel and Maverick.
Good job, boys.
Good job, guys.
Oh, trophies is in the truck. They're coming. Hang on, we'll get some more pictures of the trophies. That's below.
You're not touching these.
Maybe run over here and give it to Jay.
Do what now?
I can give it to Jay.
Okay, here you go.
That's it. That's even better.
Good job. And for the champion, for the fish all, Driggers and Haney. They used the trophies though.
Yeah, they got a collection of them.
They do,
They got a
but they
collection.
usually have all of them.
Appreciate it.
Let me get y'all a picture of it. Please, sir.
Trophy, I ain't got to hold the arms out like that.